Today on P&D, Ford is giving the Edge some performance. This truck is in trouble, and if it doesn't get unstuck soon, it's gonna be here for quite a while. This guy gives improvising a new meaning when it comes to his Jeep. Jaguar Land Rover is celebrating its 70th anniversary with a restoration. Ford is under fire for cheating emissions, and it's time for Top 5 Fast Fails, Jeep Edition. So pull up a chair, let's get partying. What's up, everybody? I'm Gannon Pritchard. Welcome to PowerNation Daily. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Hope you're enjoying your coffee and your biscuits and all that good stuff. Let's talk about the news, shall we? Ford is pushing the Edge into the performance SUV market. They're getting edgy with it. That's cheesy. The same Ford performance team that brought you the GT and the F-150 Raptor, which is, I gotta be honest, those are both cool. They're now working on the new Edge ST that will replace the Edge Sport. They're getting sporty with it. The ST houses a 335 horsepower twin turbocharged 2.7 liter V6, which is impressive because you can really boost that thing and make a lot more power than that if you wanted to. All-wheel drive, and it's gonna have the Sport Tune suspension. Along with a new design, Ford is also installing the newest technology, which includes Waze integration that includes a cop spotting application. What do you think about it? Let us know in the comments. We're all ears. These guys in Illinois probably didn't expect the problem to be this big when they were off-roading. When they took their Silverado into what they thought was a frozen field, they got a real big surprise and they got into a lot of trouble because it was actually a pond. The truck got stuck and they had to call in the backhoe, which then got stuck as well. It was 3 feet of frozen icy mud, which wasn't letting these guys go anywhere. The problem is that the pond doesn't thaw until spring, and both are gonna be under about 7 feet of water, according to Jalopnik. Man, that sucks. But what sucks more than all that, I guess this is private property, so the guy might be sending them a bill for parking when it's all said and done. What would you do in this situation? I'm kind of curious. Sometimes you just have to work with what you got. Any off-roading enthusiast is gonna tell you that, and this guy is no exception. Jeep Beef uploaded a video of a guy in his Jeep out in the snow with what appears to be a skid. That is a skid plate, but no, it's actually a log. I'm not really sure what the guy's doing, but it looks like a good case of improvisation. Improvising at its best. If you know what he's doing, let us know in the comments. Is he having fun or is he trying to get back to where he came from? I don't care what the case is, but it's still kind of cool and funny. Jaguar Land Rover Classic Works is celebrating its 70th anniversary in a cool way. 70 years, wow, they're old. They're restoring one of the 2 Series 1 prototypes that was released to the public. The truck was hidden in a field for the last 20 years, which obviously means this thing is gonna need some serious work to get to where it needs to be. The truck was built to unveil at the Amsterdam Motor Show in 1948. And even though the truck was last on the road in the 60s, the restoration will be completed to what the truck was gonna be like right when it rolled off the showroom floor. Kinda cool? You like it? Don't care? Let us know in the comments. Ford is the latest automaker with accusations of cheating on emissions. That's not good. That could get expensive. According to Motor Trend, there has been a class action lawsuit that claims Ford programmed at least 500,000 heavy-duty pickup trucks, including diesels, the F-250s and 350s, sold between 2011 and 2017 to cheat emission tests. Wow, they're gonna learn the hard way on that. If Volkswagen wasn't a good enough lesson to be learned, Ford could be in some serious hot water. Apparently, the emissions are 50 times over the legal limit. That's a lot. So what do you think about this? Do you think Ford should be worried? Are they in hot water? I guess we're gonna have to wait and find out. For more information, stay tuned right here on PowerNation Daily. Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily and hanging with us. For more information, stay tuned on PowerNationTV.com. Get connected with us online. Let us know what you wanna see. Talk to us. We're bored. Stay tuned for more information, and we'll see you guys real soon.